Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my honest review for the company LOVEVERY. If you are a parent, then I am sure you have heard of this company before, but if you haven't, LOVEVERY has Montessori-inspired toys and subscription boxes for babies and toddlers. LOVEVERY was so kind enough to send me a box of lovely toys for Amori. So thank you so much to LOVEVERY for being so generous to send Amori these toys. We truly appreciate it. During this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm also going to be showing you each individual toy up close and how they work. I'll also show you Amori playing with the toys just so you can get an idea of how kids interact with them, and I will then give you my overall review and of course pricing. Now let's get into the review to truly know if LOVEVERY is worth it. So LOVEVERY has play kits that are designed for each stage of your child's life. You can choose the subscription service and they'll send you a box of toys every about 2 to 3 months depending on the age, or you can just buy the play kits individually. For us, we were able to choose what play kit we wanted. During the time of our pick, Amori was about 12 and a half months old. The play kits are based off of age, so Amori was in between the 11 to 12 month play kit and the Babbler, which is for 13, 14, and 15 months old. So I would say when you are picking your box, if you are buying them individually, definitely go off of the age because that is a great reference that they have there for you. But I would just also keep in mind to go off of where your child is developmentally. So we went ahead and went with the Babbler box for 13, 14, and 15-month-olds. And because it's for up to 15 months old, these toys are going to be able to grow with her and they're going to be able to last, which we definitely appreciated. So our LOVEVERY box arrived and it came straight to our doorstep. We all know we love when stuff is just convenient for us and it can just pop up on the doorstep. So I thought that was really cool how it just comes straight to your door and then you just automatically have a box full of toys for your kids. So I thought that was pretty cool. So when you first open up the box, there is a big flyer that goes over what the toys are. And it also has a Babbler Play Guide that goes over different ways to play, expert tips, development information, and at-home activities. Now, I actually really enjoyed the guide and I felt like it was helpful because it's just packed with loads of information. Now, I know that the guides and like the little papers and stuff can be easy to set aside, but I just found it really helpful for me because it can go over how each toy is designed to work. It gives tips on how to introduce the toys, how the toys are designed to stimulate your child as far as fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, like communication, and just problem solving. And it also included extra activities that you can do at home, for play with your child. So I just thought that it was really neat that they did include that guide in there. So you do get 5 different toys in this particular box. You get the Slide and Seek Ball Run, Bunnies in a Felt Burrow, Circle of Friends puzzle, a wood coin bank and coins that you can also switch the lids out to 2 different lids, in which one is the carrot lid and then the other one is just a posting lid. You get the flexible Wooders stacker and you also get a book. So lots and lots of stuff in here. The first toy that we tried was a Slide and Seek Ball Run. So the ball run comes with 2 balls that you can actually shake, and it's also designed for the balls to just go through the top. It rolls down the spiral slide and then it disappears into the wooden box. So on the box, it also has 4 different ways that the balls can be retrieved out. So when we first got the toy out, I knew that eventually it would end up being a favorite, but at first, Amori was really only interested in playing with the balls and shaking them because she just loves toys that make noise and that you can shake and it kind of makes music. So when I would show her how to put the balls at the top, she would take the ball from the top. She wouldn't push it. She would just take it out of the top, and she was more interested in just shaking them or putting the balls directly into the hole. But I think it's just because she didn't know how to put kind of that slight pressure on the ball to make it go, because the ball does not automatically slide down. You do have to push it down a little bit in order for it to move. But now After a little bit of time, Amori loves this toy and she got the hang of it. She knows how to put the balls in the top and push them down to get them to slide. She also knows how to open the doors, and she plays peekaboo a little bit with the doors and the balls. And she just also knows how to open them up just to retrieve the balls and then continue on to putting them in the top for them to slide down. So this toy, definitely an awesome toy. The coin bank with wooden coins has 3 different lids that you can rotate out to use on it, which I thought was pretty cool that they did provide, those different lids for you to use. The first one is the coin lid. So you get 5 different coin pieces and you just have to put the coins in the little slot. So manipulating the coins to put them in these little slots is definitely a fine motor and problem solving activity for your child. They definitely have to focus and work hard for this one. The coin lid, I would say, was definitely challenging for Amori, but I'm sure over time she will start to learn how to rotate the coins in the right way to fit them into the slot. So right now we are just focusing on the carrot lid right now. She totally enjoys this one way more. So there are 5 carrots that they also have to manipulate into the holes. Amori was so focused when she was playing with the carrot lid, which is amazing to see. The carrot lid and also the wooden stacker toy, which I'm gonna get to in just a little bit. While she was playing with these 2 toys specifically, you can definitely see the wheels turning in her brain to figure out how these toys work. And then seeing her focus and actually achieving these things to see how they fit together is so rewarding. She's just growing up so fast, you guys, which makes me sad, but also excited. So the last lid that they included is a posting lid, which is just designed for those smaller and more precise fine motor skills. The Circle of Friends puzzle was another big hit. So this puzzle has 5 different sizes of circles to help your child build awareness of how shapes fit together. And when you take the circles off, there are these beautiful and diverse pictures of children under each one, and Amori absolutely loved seeing all of the kids. She has such a sweet heart that when she ended up taking off the circles, she went in and gave each child a kiss, which I thought was so adorable. Like, she is so cute. But yes, you can also cut out different circular pictures of your family members and loved ones just to kind of customize the puzzle, which I thought was a super cute idea if you did want to just put your own pictures in there. So removing the puzzle pieces for Amori at first was easier than putting them back on, but over time she did start to learn how to put them back in, although she definitely still enjoys taking them out rather than putting them back in much more. But yes, this puzzle is very cute. It's very simple, and Amori absolutely loved it. And especially the pictures of the kids underneath the circles was definitely a nice added touch. Next up is the Bunnies in a felt burrow. This toy is really cute. So babies and toddlers, they do love putting things inside of one another, so this toy was made to help with that. And it also helps with bilateral coordination due to them having to hold on to the burrow while actually putting the bunny back inside or taking the bunnies out. So if I'm being honest, Amori isn't the biggest fan of this toy at the moment, but I think that over time she will appreciate it more when she gets a little bit older. So as you can see, she did enjoy taking the bunnies out, but she didn't catch on to putting them back in just yet. And then once she had the bunnies out, it was kind of like a, okay, what's next type of thing. This toy is kind of just set aside for the moment, and then once she gets a little bit older, we will reintroduce the toy. The flexible Wooder Stacker is a ring stack toy that helps your child explore how things fit together. This toy is excellent for fine motor skills due to the manipulation that is needed to put the rings back on. So Amori was not able to put the rings back on at first, but now she is becoming like a pro. Like I stated earlier, this toy and the wooden box with the carrot lid are two toys that show Amori being very focused on learning how these toys work and fit together. Over time, it was just so nice to see how she went from not being able to put the rings back on to now putting them on with pretty much ease. I also appreciate this toy because the stick in the middle that you actually have to put the rings on, it does not come out. So I bought a toy online that was very similar to this one, and it didn't make sense to me because the stick in the middle was able to be removed. So Amori was only interested in removing the stick and then making all of the rings fall. So I definitely love this toy because she is able to focus more on putting the rings actually on the stick versus just, pulling the stick up and then everything just falling. So that's why I do love this toy, and so does Amori. This tunnel, I'm so glad that we were able to choose an extra toy. So this tunnel was so fun. So at first, Amori didn't really catch on of how to actually use it. So I ended up putting her pacifier in the middle of the tunnel to make her go get it. And then she got the hang of it. Also, what helped us is for me to be on one end of the tunnel so she felt more comfortable going through, knowing that someone, that's familiar with her, or just knowing that I was on the other side. So that is what really made her go through the tunnel. And my older girls love this tunnel as well. So they play with her a lot in it, and she likes to kind of pick the tunnel up and play peekaboo. So this tunnel is so much fun, and I do love it because it is collapsible. And it has a little strings on the side so you can tie it up and you can just tuck it away whenever you aren't playing with it. So I thought that was really convenient as well. And of course, surprise, my cat also loves it too. So my cat, I tried to move the tunnel one time and I was like, why does this feel so heavy? And I looked in there and my cat was totally taking a nap. So apparently it's fun for all ages and species. Overall, I truly believe that the Lovevery Play Kits are worth it. These toys are high quality and they actually grow with your child, so I feel like you will definitely be getting your money's worth. I mean, think about it. You are getting around 6 or more toys in each box with a book and a play guide. And they don't even just have play kits. If you guys weren't interested in getting the play kits every couple of months or just, buying them individually, they have play gyms, furniture, baby products, individual toys, the whole nine. So if you truly add up the amount of money that you are spending on other random toys that you see in the stores or online, I feel like it'll probably equal to the same amount of money that you are spending on these play kits. But these toys are built to last. They are made from wood and they're not like the flimsy plastic toys that most toys are made of these days. And they really stimulate your child's mind, and you get a surprise every couple of months with new goodies. I mean, who wouldn't want that? So all in all, we have had these toys for a little over 1 month now, and Amori is really enjoying them every single day. Don't get me wrong. I mean, Amori definitely still loves her other toys that I have gotten for her, but I do find her going to play with the toys from Lovevery more than the toys that I actually bought her for her birthday. So that definitely tells you something right there. So you guys know that I would not steer you wrong in any way, and this is an honest review from me. So if you're interested in trying out any of the Lovevery kits or anything that they do have on their website, then make sure that you click the link in my description box and just check out my description box for more information in general. Thank you, Lovevery, for sending us the Babbler Play Kit and also the tunnel. We truly enjoyed this entire experience. All right, everyone, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.